Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. I'm Arlene Panty Solsona. I'm 38 years old, married. I have one sister and one brother. I have one son. He is only 11 years old. I work in Kuwait for over 9 years for one employer only. When I just arrived, the three kids were only 4 years old, 3 years old, and 3 months old baby. At that time, only the 4 years old go to school. I need to take care of her meal, uniform, bathing, and bringing her into the car. And the driver will bring her into the school. 3 years old is very mobile. He walk and run here and there. So I need to follow her. We play all together. And the 3 months old baby, I prepare meal, clean bottle, wash her clothes, change diaper. It is very basics for growing ups. These three kids are already growing when I left them after working her family for 9 years. I love children and I would love to take care children also in Hong Kong, both newborn and growing kids. Aside in kids care, cleaning, washing, ironing, and cooking, I want to work in Hong Kong so that I can earn more. I would love to work in Hong Kong so that I can also try their holiday. All my work in Kuwait, no holiday at all. I hope you will like me and I hope I can go to Hong Kong. Please hire me, madam and sir. Thank you and have a blessed day.